Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. Welcome to Scoop Talk at SMTAI. I am joined by Mark from Solderstar. Mark, thanks for stopping by. Yep, good to see you too. Data seems to be one of the key drivers in the market here. You've got some new products that you launched at Productronica in that area. Start by telling me how they're working and how they're starting to gel with the market.
Yeah, well, we introduced our new product that we've called SmartLine, and that's the latest evolution of our real-time monitoring systems. What we're seeing at Productronica was our customer base starting to look at the Industry 4.0 requirements and asking Solderstar how they could help with producing the big data from the ovens, etc. So we've been very active on the development front and got a few nice systems out already, starting to be actually purchased and going into customers' sites. It's been a real interesting year.
Yeah, so you've got collaboration there from both ends. Obviously the OEMs or the manufacturers, the EMS companies that are asking you for that data, but you've also got to work with the equipment vendors on that.
Yeah.
How open are people now to having this collaborative approach to data?
Like still at early doors, there's no standards in place as such. Obviously OML's something that's come in the industry. We've actively joined that group, trying to keep abreast of the developments there. Looks quite interesting. But yeah, what we focused on really is producing a complete subsystem. You know, we view that we're a smart sensor provider. So we're making the instrumentation that we install to the machines combined with small software modules that will do the complete capture, the smart enable the whole reflow oven or wave solder machine. And it's very easy to interchange data. You know, that's what's so powerful about the Industry 4.0 methodologies based upon web techniques, JSON, standard formats that really well established in through the widespread use of internet and web technologies in other industries, and it's genuinely a real powerful application.
Okay, and when they're obviously there's a huge amount of data there. Key to all this data is how do they mine it, what do they do with it, where are they getting value from it? When they get that data from the oven, are they able to speed up changeover, increase first pass yield? What are they looking to achieve from that?
There's a number of things you can leverage from that data. Obviously, process changeover really is more a process optimization, a profiling function. What we're looking at here with SmartLine and Industry 4.0 type thinking is obviously being able to measure everything and then analyze what we can actually action from that data. So we're looking at why does this machine have greater uptime than the machine on line 4? They're both identical models. Once we make measurements, we can obviously make analysis like that. But what's really powerful about the monitoring we install to the ovens, of course, is we can actually see trends. We can actually put preventive maintenance schedules in place, move production from one line to another before the soldering quality is impaired.
Becomes a problem.
Or the machine fails to a point where then the whole line would be down.
So you can see when that trend is getting towards the edge of the tolerance. And in terms of the data itself, there's as a result of Industry 4.0, IOM, whatever term we're using, there's a development in terms of business model. And hardware companies are becoming more like software companies, whether software moves to software as a service models, those kind of things are changing in the industry. How do you see those trends impacting companies like yourselves?
Oh, we're seeing it now. As we were talking before, we're already posed with 2 or 3 different deployment models. We're working with big blue chip companies who are looking, the pure Industry 4.0 model. So we're just providing smart data there. They're taking the data from our systems and they own everything from that point, which is quite unique for us. And we're looking at more medium-sized companies. They've been really interested in adding continuous monitoring to their lines, and smart manufacturing focus and thinking in the industry at the moment is obviously making that justification more easy for them. So when we deploy in that size of factory, then we help them more. We have our own subsystems which will collect data from the ovens, do really nice analysis for them. It's pretty much out of the box. And the final thing you mentioned, of course, the software as a service model. That's something we're working on at the moment. We have the first system previewing on the booth here at SMTAI. And that basically we take the same software and deploy that into the cloud.
Yeah.
So guys with just one surface mount line can all be sending data in there, all perfectly secure and insular from each other. But no hardware on site, no IT guys needed, instant updates. It's really works really nice.
Yeah, I think one of the interesting opportunities there that so far we've missed in the industry, and it's really hard to get people sufficiently collaborative to do, is the idea that we can crowdsource some of that data as well. And once we've got data driven up to the cloud, maybe anonymously, we can start to see trends in particular ovens, particular technologies that can then help everybody. So
yeah, I mean,
maybe that's another phase of development.
I'm not sure how customers would be.
Well, that's the challenge, isn't it? And I think that's always the challenge with marketing data, with any kind of data. How do you level it so people can make use of it without it becoming proprietary? But I think that's well into the future at the moment, and we have to get past this standards thing and
indeed,
get to the
that would
next
be a
stage.
powerful thing. Yeah,
it would be. Mark, thanks for your time. Great to see you
Pleasure.
again, and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Thanks.